There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat in Destroyer Gray. With adaptive cruise control, performance hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, SRT performance pages, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6970.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.